In this video, I'm going to be going over 3 things I did to drastically help me when I got started with options trading. Before we dive into the video, my name is Lars Raymond. I've been trading options for over 5.5 years now. I do very well with it. And I'm going to be going over in today's video the 3 things that really helped me and that will help a ton of beginners with options trading to start making money. The first thing is when you're getting into options trading, you need to have rules and you need to have guidelines for your trading, right? Because so many people jump into this and want to just make as much money as possible. And yes, that's awesome, but you need to have a plan of how you're going to do that, a strategy, a daily profit goal. Things like that are super important, right? For example, having a daily profit goal is huge because let's say your daily profit goal that you want to make is $100. Your goal is to make $100 a day from options trading. Now, that may not sound like a ton of money, but there's 252 trading days in the year. Let's call it an even 250. If you were to make only $100 a day from trading, that would be an extra $25,000 that you're making every single year from trading. So if you put it like that, it doesn't sound like a little amount of money whatsoever, right? So if you're able to make $100 consistently, then you can go on to make $200 a day. Right now you're making 50K, which is the average salary of people in the US. Right now you're making 200, now you're making 300, right? Et cetera, et cetera. So trading is something that is very scalable, but when you're just getting started, you need to have a daily profit goal that you hit. You need to have guidelines for your trading. You need to have a strategy and you need to have a plan. The second thing is using a stop loss. I cannot stress this enough, especially with members inside of my trading community. There's over 700 members that I help and teach, me and 4 other analysts. The biggest thing we see of why people aren't successful with trading is setting a stop loss. That's definitely one of the biggest things. What basically a stop loss does is exactly what it sounds like. It prevents you or stops you from taking a loss, right? So for example, on my trades, my rule of thumb is I have a 20 to 25% loss stop loss set on every single trade that I enter, right? So for example, and the reason that this is so key is because you're not going to win every trade, right? Anyone out there that's telling you, oh, you can just get into trading and print money. Yes, you can, but at the same time, you're not always going to win every trade. So if I have a 20% stop loss set on every single trade I take, for example, I take 3 trades, right? All those trades were losing trades. Usually I'm not going to hit 3 trades back to back that are losers, but let's just say hypothetically, we take 3 trades, all hit our stop loss at 20%, right? So we lose 20% on one trade, another trade, and another trade. If we're risking the same amount per trade, right? If we were to take one really good trade, let's say it runs to even 61%, right now you're in profit. If it runs to 62, let's say it runs to 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%, great. You've now covered your losses, plus you've made additional money on top of that. And that's really how you become a profitable trader. You let your winning trades run and you cut your losses quick. And the way you're able to do that is by setting things like a stop loss. Now, the cool part about a stop loss is you don't always have to set it at a loss. For example, let's say I'm in a trade and I buy 10 contracts, right? The trade is working out, we're up 50%. What I'm gonna do at that point is set my stop loss at either break even or 10% profit. And I'm gonna sell half my contracts at 50% profit and I'm gonna adjust my stop loss on the remaining 5, either at break even or 10% profit. Why? Because now I've locked in profit on half of my trade, plus even if this trade were to reverse in the direction I don't want, great, now it's either gonna sell me out at break even or 10%, right? So I've guaranteed myself that I've made money on this play. Stop losses, if you're getting into trading, are absolutely crucial. You need to be using them. Third thing is over trading, right? You don't have to trade every single day. Don't feel like you have to trade every single day, right? Because cash is king. So if you see a market that you're not liking, or there's a lot of choppy action going on, or there's high news, for example, don't trade. No one is putting a gun to your head and saying, hey, you have to trade today. No, you don't have to trade if you don't want to. If the market conditions aren't what you want, then don't take a trade, because the best traders in the world aren't trading every single day, right? They're only looking for the exact market conditions they want for their exact setups. And when they do, they're very, very confident in that, and they put on some sides with their trades and they execute on that. I'm not trading every single day. If I see a high news day where there's, inflation news coming out, one of the FOMC speakers, like Fed speakers like Powell is speaking, I will not trade, because in my opinion, it's like flipping a coin, because you can do all the technical analysis in the world. You can have a strategy like ours using pivot point strategy, the 9 EMA, VWAP volume, all these things, right? Even if your strategy is like 100% accurate, news will always outweigh that, right? News is the strongest force when it comes to moving the market. So in my opinion, if you're playing high news days, or when a Fed speaker or CPI comes out, PPI, something like that, it's like flipping a coin, and something I just want to avoid entirely. I know this was a really short video. I wanted to make this short video to go over the 3 things that really helped me succeed when I started trading, which are: have a plan for yourself, have rules, have guidelines for your trading, having a stop loss. Stop losses are crucial, and not feeling like you have to trade every day. Less is more when it comes to this. Focus on being consistent and profitable, hitting your profit goal, and then walking away. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, check out my trading group, link down below. The first 7 days are free. We have over 40 years of experience inside the group. I think you guys would really like it. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a comment, a like, drop a subscription. It really means the world to me. And let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.